Hello, in this tutorial I will show you exactly how you can fix "we are sorry we couldn't confirm it's you." First, I will give you the reasons why this problem happens, because it happened to me multiple times. And one of the reasons why is, the first time I changed the laptop, and like PayPal doesn't have any data about the new laptop, so they don't know exactly if it's actually me trying to use my account or someone hacked me or wants to hack me. So that's why there you get this message: we are sorry we couldn't confirm it's you. For especially if you have removed all the cookies from your browser, uh, you will receive this error. So the only way to fix this is to call them directly. I will show you how you can call them, or you can send them a message on Twitter or Facebook, and then they will get back to you. Someone will help you. Now, first, you just need to go to PayPal, and after that, you want to click on. You want to just click on "Contact Us" here, and then you will be able to find here where you can call them or message them. You can message them if you want the same thing. Okay, they will be able to help you. Just say something like, I changed this, or I did that, I changed something, location or something, and then I got a message like, we couldn't confirm it's you. You can either call them or message them. Okay, it's up to you. So that's all you need to do. In order for you to get your account back, you need to call them or send them a message. Okay, don't do anything else, because it's not going to work. I have tried this multiple times. And yeah, if this tutorial helped you, I would appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Okay, just let me know in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.